In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set work hours in New Outlook. Setting clear work hours helps your calendar reflect when you're available, improves scheduling suggestions, and reduces the chance that meetings land outside your preferred times. Let's walk through it together from the very beginning. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and switch to your calendar. You'll see the familiar calendar view, and that's where we'll adjust your working hours. At the top of the calendar, select the View menu. This is where Outlook groups display options and calendar preferences. From there, choose Calendar Settings. This opens a panel where you can fine-tune how your calendar behaves and what it shows during your week. In the Settings panel, find the section labeled Show Work Week As. This controls which days appear as part of your working week. Check the boxes for the days you consider work days. For many people, that's Monday through Friday. But if your schedule includes weekends or you have a midweek day off, customize it to match your reality. Getting this right ensures your calendar visually emphasizes the days you're available. Next, set your start time. Choose the hour you typically begin your workday. If you regularly begin earlier or later than standard office hours, pick the time that's most accurate for you. Then set your end time. This should reflect when you wrap up work. These times will influence how Outlook highlights your day and how meeting suggestions are proposed by scheduling tools, so it's worth being precise. When everything looks correct, your selected workdays, your start time, and your end time, click Save. Saving applies your preferences to your calendar right away. You'll notice that your calendar view now emphasizes your work week and working hours, making it easier for you and collaborators to plan effectively. A few quick tips as you finish up. If your schedule changes seasonally or you shift to a new time block, come back to these settings and update them. If you collaborate across time zones, remember that your working hours display in your current time zone. Setting them accurately helps others avoid proposing meetings at inconvenient times. And if you occasionally work different days, you can keep your default week here and manually schedule exceptions as needed. That's it. Your work hours are set in New Outlook, and your calendar is now aligned with how you actually work.